gonna say? You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so my heart was shattered when it took the hit. Oh, I can't imagine doing all that again, even for one night, to see where it went. Here's the thing, you made your bed, I just got your staying out of my head. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. End of the road, nowhere to go. You cut the ties, you burn the rope. So don't. Let me see your name lighting on my phone when it was you who let go of everything we could have been. Is it sinking in all your regret? No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I don't need room to guess. When it ends, it ends. When it ends, it
Do you remember we had dignity, sanity, a world of trust instead of fighting fingers till they bleed? You find joy in all your shallow hells and empty noise. A world is burning, but they'll keep on selling broken toys. Whoa, can't be it, this can't be it now. Whoa, can't be it. This can't be it now. Whoa, mine's just never end. They detonate inside my head, tearing up my generation. Whoa, they fed us all a lie. They were Jews until they died, leaving nothing but a salutation.
Is it on?
Oh yeah. What kind of YouTube videos do you make, buddy?
Me? Trick shots.
Big shots? So like kind of the Dude Perfect.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Thanks, my guy. Not as much subscribers. What's up, YouTube? Dude, this is...
That's like
I'm
fluffy.
with a YouTuber going down a waterslide. Holy crap! Oh! Dude! No! 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 Oh! I'm with a YouTuber going down a waterslide. This is so cool. Wait, are you gonna do the other one?
The racing one?
Yeah. He's a YouTuber.
Thank you.
You forget that we had empathy, clarity. Now every truth is drowned beneath the sea of vanity. You feel proud up in your tower built on fear and doubt. The sky is falling, they just smile, never call it out. Whoa, can't be it, this can't be themselves.